What if I told you that everything you worked for, every late night, every early morning, every sacrifice could disappear overnight? Not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because of a machine. This isn't science fiction. It's not someday. It's now, right now. AI is rewriting the rules, replacing lawyers, artists, marketers, and coders at a speed we've never seen before. Here's the twist no one is talking. In the middle of this chaos lies the greatest opportunity of our time. Because while AI is replacing hundreds of jobs, it's quietly creating a million more. And the people who recognize this shift early. They won't just survive, they'll dominate. I'm going to show you how. I'm Jamal Khan, entrepreneur, deal maker, tax advisor, and a financial strategist. I built the Elite Hub app to connect ambitious minds from every corner of the globe. Private network where people share ideas, collaborate on high-value opportunities, and turn strategies into results. Thousands of people join us every single week. The truth is, the world is changing at a pace humanity has never seen. Breakthrough after breakthrough, disruption after disruption. Those who cling to the past, they get left behind. But the ones who adapt, they don't keep up, they become the future. And today we're going deep. The jobs AI is already eliminating, the new income streams it's unlocking, a step-by-step plan to pivot your skills into power. You don't need to coder, you just need to wake up. Because this isn't about technology, it's about survival. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll give you a blueprint that can make you recession-proof, automation-proof, and future-proof. Let's begin. AI doesn't care about your resume. It doesn't care about your degree. It doesn't care how long you've worked in your field. If a machine can do it better, it will. Here's the reality. Copywriters are being replaced by ChatGPT. Designers are losing projects to Midjourney. Video editors are being replaced by Runway. Customer support agents, gone. 24/7 chatbots have taken their junior coders, redundant. GitHub Copilot writes better codes in seconds. Goldman Sachs estimates AI could impact 300 million future jobs globally. And here's the hard truth. If your job is based on repetition, execution, or prediction, it's already in danger. This isn't fear mongering. This is preparation. Because in this new reality, you're either adapting or you're already behind. While millions are panicking, a small group is quietly winning. They saw writing on the wall and they moved early. These are the pioneers, the AI age, and they are making more money, more impact, and more freedom than ever before. Here are some of them. Number one, prompt engineers, not programmers, just smart thinkers who know how to talk to AI. They craft prompts like get precise, high-quality results. Many are earning $250,000 a year simply because they know how to speak machine. Number two, AI automation specialists. They help businesses cut out costs by setting up automations with tools like Zapier or Make. No coding required, but they charge $2K or even $5K, even $10K per project. Number three, faceless content creators. No camera, no microphone, no staff. Using AI tools, they run multiple YouTube channels or TikTok accounts, generating passive income around the clock. Number four, no-code AI builders. They build AI-powered apps on platforms like Bubble or Softer, solving real problems with zero tech behind. Number five, AI consultants. Businesses are lost. They don't even know where to start with AI. If you can guide them, you become indispensable. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. The question is, will you be a bystander or a builder? So how do you pivot? Here's your blueprint. Number one, identify your replaceable skills. Be ruthless. If AI can replicate what you do, that's your weakest link. Evolve. Number two, master one AI tool. Don't overwhelm yourself. Choose one tool and go deep. ChatGPT for writing and ideation, Midjourney for design and visuals, Notion AI for productivity, Claude or Perplexity for research and analysis. Number 3, apply AI to a real-world problem. Don't play with AI, solve something. Automate a small business task, build an AI-powered product to streamline a client's workflow. Number 4, document and share. Post your process on LinkedIn or YouTube. Build an audience. With attention comes opportunity. Number 5, monetize smartly. Start with low friction offers such as $9 AI template, $99 automation setup, $19 a month AI newsletter. Small wins. Small wins lead to big momentum. Here's the trap most people will fall into. Comfort. They say AI will blow over. I am too old to pivot. I don't have time. Those excuses will cost them everything. You don't need to master everything. You just need to move. Every one small step puts you ahead of 95% of the world. This is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your reinvention. AI is not your enemy. It's your leverage. A tool that can either replace you or release. The choice is yours. Stand still and risk being obsolete, or rise and lead in the age of intelligence. Because in the future, the greatest currency is adaptability. And if you're still watching, you're already ahead. If you're ready to surround yourself with elite minds who are embracing this shift, leveling up, and monetizing AI, join Elite Hub app, our private network where strategies turn into results. The future is being built by those who dare to lead. Come build it with us. And one last thing, if you missed the crypto wave, don't make the same mistake twice. Tap here and I'll show you how to ride the AI wave to build wealth.